Here we have for sale Indulgence. She's a 59-foot 9-inch semi-trad narrowboat, built in 2006 by Louis and Joshua Boat Builders on a shelf from Tyler Wilson. Propulsion is by a Beta Marine 43 horsepower diesel engine, and she also has a hydraulic bow thruster. She was blacked in March 2024, and she also had 8 new anodes fitted at this time. There's also a brand new ash glazed cratch board fitted in May 2025. So stepping on board from the forward well deck into the saloon, she's a traditional layout. There's a bubble solid fuel stove in the corner of the saloon. You've also got Webasto central heating. Oak fit out throughout. Carpet on the floor with vinyl in the galley and shower room. Into the dinette, L-shaped seating. That does make a double, 6'1" by 3'11". There's 2 sets of side doors on board, both with glazed sliding inner panel. Into the galley, laminate worktops, under-counter fridge, gas cooking, ceramic tiles, and moving towards the aft into the shower room. There's a Dometic vacuum cassette toilet, and that goes to a remote holding tank. 52-gallon polypropylene tank. Hot water is heated by the engine boiler and immersion. Crossbed double bedroom at the aft with plenty of storage under. That does fold out to make a 6'1" by 5' double bed. And in the aft here there's a handy little table, seating area, and up into the semi-trad deck. Electrics on board is a Victron 2.5 kilowatt inverter charger. Starter battery was new in March 2024, and the cabin batteries were new in May 2025, and there are 4 120 amp hour cabin batteries. So we'll just take another walk back through the boat. She's with us at North Kilworth Marina. All the details can be found on our website, www.abnb.co.uk. Give us a call to book your viewing and we'll be happy to show you around.